Today we finna go watch Inside Out. And
I want her to give me some
we gonna
food.
see how it is. We sneaking snacks into the movie and snacks in our bags. In my bag back them. Somewhere.
Yo, she gonna give me some food after the movies.
But
Y'all heard me?
I'll see y'all. Alright, y'all. We at the movies. Got some 3D glasses.
I can see that.
Previews playing right now.
No, it was already like that. Big edge agents. Or you might just say
The movie still ain't start yet. Morty got all the Disney movies coming out. They got Moana, Lion King. They got Despicable Me and Inside Out. Okay, now.
They can't see you.
It's not started.
Y'all, the movie started. We're gonna tell y'all how it is when we finish watching. So yeah. Y'all, the movie over. How's the movie?
I give the movie a 10 out of 10. It was so funny. Yeah, it was all my idea.
Okay, anyways, we staying to see the little secret that's supposed to be at the end. So we gonna
After all the credits, they swear it's a secret, a big secret.
so we gonna see. We gonna see.
I don't want to see the secret also, bad.
We gonna see what it's about. They got all these names.
Cut a hole in the rug.
They got a whole bunch of names on here. Y'all, it's coming up. It's coming up. Walt Disney gotta get things. Oh my.
Okay, deep dark secret, it's
Oh,
time.
this one.
It's okay. Come on. Okay, let it go, buddy. What's the secret?
we burn hole in the rock.
Really? That's it? Whew, I thought you were gonna say the time we peed in the pool.
No.
Oh no, wait. And he's gone.
A hole in the rug.
Is that it? They burnt the hole in the world.
Hole, I told you on him. I'm going. I want to go her secret room.
That was your secret, Miss Ma'am? The deepest, darkest one?
The hole in the rug. Like, I'm like,
How y'all feel about the movie?
I rated it a 9 out of 10.
I give it a 10 out of 10.
Maybe an 8 out of 10. I feel like anxiety messed it up.
Anxiety was kind of aggravating like that. She actually,
Anxiety was doing way
she's
too
actually pissing me off
much.
the whole
Way too much. She's sitting over here going around the board like, girl, calm down, anxiety. Anxiety, calm down.
when she go to sleep, post it on her Instagram story so you can see.
Get that!